An update on the Filipino family that moved next door last week. I went to their party, brought home a huge bowl of pancit. I ate it all. The pancit's gone. It's probably 4 servings worth of pancit. No, I ate it all in one sitting. It was so good. Yeah, I couldn't get enough of it. But this morning I was sitting in my office. I work from home, and I heard a knock on the door, which is weird because we don't really get any visitors. And they kept knocking. And I wasn't going to answer it. I don't know. I wasn't expecting anyone. But then I heard something. Jack, Jack. Jack, Jack. Jack, Jack. That's the nickname they gave me at the Filipino party the other night. So, of course, I go open the door. There she is. My 4'8" old Filipina neighbor. She's got something in her hands. I thought it was some kind of soup or something, but it's still hot when she brought it over. I don't know if you could see this. I don't want to spill it. Oh my gosh, it smells like coconut. And I realized it's not soup. Bilo bilo. Filipino bilo bilo. If you haven't had this before, it's got tapioca balls, banana, sweet potato, jackfruit. Oh my gosh. It is so good. But now I'm worried having a Filipino neighbor, I'm gonna get fat.